Okay, welcome back again mga bossing sa Boy Bukas Toy Box. And this is Alvin. Once again, we're going to unbox another cool toys from Bandai. So this time we're going to open a really big box and big anime figure. Got more than 1,000 series now, and this is the one and only One Piece. And this time we're going to unbox Luffy, the One Piece Banpresto World Figure Collections. And this time this is the Super Master Star Piece, the Monkey D. Luffy in Gear 4. As you can, if you skip on watching One Piece, I think they are in the 1072, 73. Maybe when I uploaded it, it's more than that. But he keep on fighting with Kaido in the land of Wano as he get closer to One Piece. So this time I'm really excited to open this one. As you can see, this is like a samurai here, so that means this is part of that series. And he got the Gear 4. Maybe this time he's going to fight and kill Kaido with this maximum power that he got. So let's go, my boss scene. Let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, there you go, my boss thing. We got the Super Master Star Piece, the Monkey D. Luffy Gear 4. Look at how buff Luffy in Gear 4. So, and the sculpture still really looks amazing on this one. There's a lot of like abs going on here. So I think, yeah, like the Rob Liefeld, the Captain America. Look at that chest, right? So I think Rob is pretty accurate on that drawing. Yeah, and this one is in the land of Wano of One Piece as he's going closer to One Piece. So this is the Super Master Star Piece. Oh, I'm not too sure about why they put the brush, but yeah, so this is pretty cool version of Banpresto, the Banpresto World Figure Colosseum. And its 10-year anniversary, looks like it here. But what are we waiting for? Let's go, my bossing. Let's unbox. Karambit time. Okay. Very good. There's one more here, one more there. Nice, easy. Okay, here we go, the moment of truth. Oh, this one's really quite heavy, and we gotta find it out how heavy is this figure. And okay, so this is up here. Okay, no more. Let's pull it out. Okay, I want to here on this side. Okay, look at that. Nice. There's still some like tapes going on here, but okay. Okay. Somehow I don't wanna take this, so nothing's left there. Okay. Okay, first class, what we have here, we have the katana here with some clouds and lower body and the upper body here. So the base is covered, like protecting it. Okay. Okay, where are we gonna start? Okay, let's take out the katana first. Okay. Pretty nice details there. Okay, nice. So definitely made of plastic. Okay, and then let's start with the lower body. Okay, so this one is already heavy. Okay, some smoke going on the floor or on the ground, and of course the slippers. Nice details there, and they really put details underneath it, not just, you know, like a solid, because it's not really seen. The paint job, like those stitches, yes, pretty cool. And yeah, it's nice, and the colored. Okay, of course there's no movement going on here. This one's pretty solid. Okay, let's see the upper. Okay, so there you go. I don't know if we're gonna impress, but for me, yes, still cool. But you know, it's like a sculpture from the clay. But I think that's really how the texture's going on. If it's on Gear 4, and this X, how do you call it? It's on top of my tip of my tongue. Forgot. Okay. Yeah, so colors really good, the paint job's really cool, and of course the straw hat still there. Look at that, though it still looks small, the piece here. And let's see the head. Oh, look at that. Really nice. I love it. Really nice sculptured. So detailed, huh? Those teeth and the eyes. I really love the eyes. And of course the hair. Look at that. Nice. Nice pony. Samurai pony. And even this one thing looks like a... Not too sure what material is this, but yeah, it's not plastic. Looks like a real straw hat, something. Yeah, overall it's really good. Oh, look at that body. How heavy is that? And the piece, so, and those veins, right? Oh man, that's really hurt when punch you in the face. Okay, so that's it for the upper part of Snoopy's body. So we're gonna put them together, and there you go. Look how amazing is that. And it's really heavy. So okay, so there's no locking or how to lock it properly. So And of course, there's not much special features here. This is just a sculptured figure. Okay. So, cannot do this. So, there you go, my bossing. What do you think about it, right? So there you go, guys. So what do you guys think about it? So we're gonna put the antenna here. Look at that. Looks pretty amazing. Pretty legit. So solid, man. Look at that. Wait. Okay, let's check out the total height, maybe width, and also how heavy is this one. Okay, there you go. Ooh, it's 1 kilogram. So around, yeah, 1.044 to be exact. That's pretty solid, really nice. Okay, for the width, we can say like 10 inches wide, so you need a lot of space there. So maybe around 6 here. And for the height, okay, be careful. So around 9 inches. So yeah, so it's not that tall, but it's really cool, right? Looks pretty solid. It's 1 kilogram of toys. So it's perfect for you to display it with other One Piece character. Oh man, it's really one collectible toys. Okay, so there you go once again, my bossing. We finished another One Piece Luffy figure here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't